the crossbow. I'm actually going to put the PC side cover in front of that with the polyester wrap as well, and that is rested against the ballistic board for the crossbow. So this should be pretty much self-explanatory. Right, ladies and gents, sorry about the mess, but the missus is home soon. I need to get this pork in the oven, so let's have a look at that. So as you can see there, oh, it's leaking everywhere, fantastic. So 2 bolts are stuck in. I've got pork juice all over my table, absolutely lovely, and that has literally all the way through. All the way through. Yeah, a couple of big holes here. So yeah, needless to say, that would make an absolute mess. That's why we exercise extreme caution when using the crossbow, especially one of that nature of the Revo 7. It is absolutely devastating in its effect, as you can see.